The most common part we replace here at Autotek, Ford Motorcraft turbos. Now this guy came out of a Ford Explorer, which has two of them. Look at all those grind up pieces and parts in there. Only 40,000 miles. The manufacturer put this twin turbo V6 in there, hoping it would squeeze a little bit more power out of a small engine. I mean, that's kind of cute and stuff, but not when you're spending $7,000 to replace a pair of turbos every couple of years. You can actually see how this is all burnt up inside. That compressor wheel is starting to get pretty beat up. This is not what this guy should look like, and probably doesn't make a lot of power. The other aspect of it is it's lubricated the same way the engine is, oil and coolant. It shares oil and coolant going through it from the same. So if that turbo fails, you could take out an engine. Kind of like the baby and the mama attached with the umbilical cord. They're really one of the same. So if you've got a Ford with an EcoBoost, you should be here so that you can avoid looking like this.